Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Logitech G Hub not opening. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if your Logitech G Hub here is not opening, there's a few things that you could try here. So there's two ways that I'll be showing you. So first method here is to just basically restart Logitech G Hub. Now, in some cases, if you try to open up Logitech G Hub here and you can't see any UI, you can't see the menu here, typically it might just be hidden. So if the app itself is hidden or Logitech G Hub is hidden, you won't be able to actually see the menu because it bugged out. So by restarting the actual app, this can solve the issue. So how do you do that? You don't see Logitech G Hub here. How do you close it? Well, it's actually running in the background. So first things first is you want to look for Task Manager. Now you could go to your search at the bottom left here and just basically type in the Task Manager, but you could just click on or press on Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. It should open up Task Manager. And by the way, if you don't see the same UI I'm seeing right now, you could go and click on More Details to see more. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to look for Logitech G Hub. So typically you just need to click any of them, just press L. And from here, you should be able to see LG Hub. Right click on it, click on End Task, and also right click on any LG application you see here. Also G Hub, if you see it, right click on it again and End Task. So basically end everything. But once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to visit services. Now at the bottom left, you want to go to search, just type in services, and from here, let's go and open up services system. And what we need to do again, we need to look for Logitech. So you want to press any of the names here. So in this case, just press L. And if you see LG Hub Updater or any apps that is connected to LG Hub, you want to right click on it. You want to go to properties and you want to go and click on stop and click on apply and OK. And you can go ahead and switch this to manual temporarily, but just make sure to just stop this one. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and restart LG Hub here and see if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing and last thing that you can do here is to do a fresh reinstallation. So typically there's a few steps, like you could proceed with installation here, but there's a few steps I need to show you here. So let's go ahead and just type in add or remove. So open up the uninstaller here, add or remove programs, go to search this list, and you want to type in LG Hub. Now Logitech Hub here, Logitech. And from here, you want to click on that and you want to click on uninstall. Click on uninstall. And from here, just go and click on yes if it requires you further permissions. And in here, what we need to do next is we need to adjust a few settings. So in this case, by default, the save my current settings will be enabled. So what I would like you to do is I want you to click on the save my settings and basically not saving any of your settings and click on uninstall. Now just be warned, this will actually remove any settings that you've set on your Logitech G Hub, but unfortunately sometimes just clearing the already existing settings here can solve your issue. But once you've actually uninstalled this one, just reinstall it again, restart your PC and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.